Hi folks, Al with Maguire's. Just want to share with you, this is a 2020 Transit 250 pre-owned vehicle. Has 7,959 miles on it. It's a V6 engine, 10-speed transmission, big barn doors on the back end, a sliding door on the passenger side, and plenty of room inside for your hauling. And it has the padding on the door, so it's an insulated sound. It's a nice ride. Inside comfort and safety, it has sync, so your phone calls are hands-free. It also has FORDPASS. You can pair it to your cell phone, which gives you the ability to start it from your cell phone, lock it, unlock it. You can actually know where your vehicle is located. So if you're using it for business and you have a employee out running around, you can find where he is anytime you need him. Again, it's Al with Maguire's, and we have this thing listed at $36,400. So give me a call and come in and take this one home.